Okay, what we have here is a Samsung Note N7000, I think it is, and it's not charging. Reason being, I think the charging port has been abused over the years and no longer making a good connection. So what we've got, I'm just going to put that back in there. What we've got is a new item off of eBay, £2.45 I think, that's what it costs. It's got a new plug in there. We've just got to get it down inside here to see whether we can fix the charging problem. So here we go. Let's see what we got. Let's take the original case off. Oh, bonus, £5. I'm going to take the back off. Let's take that pen out first. Don't need that. Take the plastic back off. Don't need the battery. I'm going to take the memory card out. And then we're going to take the SIM card out as well. So we've got a number of screws around the outside. We're just going to pop those out. Handy little screwdriver. Here we go. We're underway. Screw one. Screw number two. Put that on there to stop the screen getting too scratched. I'll find the case, we'll put all our screws in that. Just pop these screws out because my screwdriver is not magnetic. So that's all the screws out. Now we've got to get the back off of that. Helps if you've got some nails. There is a special tool for this. I haven't got one. Hello little man. Come to see what's going on. So there we go, we got the back off. So we get to that bit. And then we need to take this piece off. Already you can sort of see where this is going to be going. So there's 3 screws here. Lift this piece off, and as you can see, that's where the new piece goes. So I'll crack this out. It goes on there, you can see. So we lift this piece off of here, that piece comes out, lift the edge of that board up a bit, take that screw out, just for a little second, and then I believe this piece comes off of here. Like that. And then I think lifted the wrong clip there, but this piece here, like that. New piece goes in. This one gets clipped in. That folds over, clips on like that. That one clips on also. Put that screw back in. And that's clipped on, that's clipped on, that's clipped on. Put this bit back on. Three screws there. Just make sure they're definitely clipped down. That's looking pretty tight. And then pop the back on. Straightforward clip, clip, clip. I think before I put all the screws in, I'm just going to give it a bit of a test to see whether it's charging. Brilliant, battery's there. Let's get our charger. Let's plug that in. Have we got a response? Yes! And we're charging. Fantastic. Pop the screws back in. And we are good to go. There we go, new charger and a bit for the bin. Simple. £2.50, something like that. Free delivery on eBay and about 5 or 6 minutes. Worth every penny.